see, I'm all set up here for catfishing from a kayak. First of all, I'm in a pond. It's the most important thing. Got my bluegill bait all cut up and in the pan. Got my light, some pad in my seat, a couple things of water, fishing pole, a paddle, a couple extra fish if I run out. I got some more worms anyway. I can always catch more, so I'm about to sit out. Hopefully next time you see or hear from me, see and hear from me, I have a catfish on the end of my line, eh?